How to import goods. Go to the Store Import Products section. On the page that opens, you need to select the main language of the products to be added. If the imported file contains categories of your store, then the language of the added products will be automatically replaced with the language of the category to which it is added. If you check the box Recognize Field Matches automatically, then the appropriate fields for import will be filled in automatically. However, in this case, the compliance of the fields must be checked. And also, save it and use it in the future to fill in the fields in the next step. Select a file to upload or provide a link to Google Sheets. Click Upload. Now you need to set the basic parameters. For example, the main currency, if it is not indicated directly in the product price cell. An alternative category is a category to which a product will be added if the category specified in it is not found. Not importing the first line means skipping the line with field headers. A very useful option: do not import a product without a code. This will allow you to skip products that do not have a code specified. Please note that subsequent product updates occur by code or product ID. Most often, if you use an external source with imported goods, for example, a supplier's price list, then when updating availability, price, or other data on the product card, the product will be searched by its code. Therefore, to avoid repeatedly adding identical products when re-importing, try to always use the product code, and leave the Do Not Import Product Without Code checkbox active. If you need to replace the product code for previously loaded products, then specify the product ID field, in which case the code will be overwritten, since the product ID has higher priority than the product code. The Update Only option allows you to significantly speed up the process of updating product cards. By activating this option, product images will not be imported, and new products will not be added. If you do not import the price list on the first try, and you still need to add new products, then leave the Do Not Check Images for Previously Downloaded Products checkbox. How to add a big price. For example, if you are uploading thousands of new products, and the photo source is quite slow to process. In this case, it is possible that the loading process may be interrupted on some product. We recommend that you check the previously added products in the Store Products section, or by clicking Show the result of the previous import, and remove from the imported file those products that have already been successfully added. For example, by deleting lines from the file, starting from the second, and all previously added products. After setting the basic parameters, you need to match the fields. For example, if your price list has many fields, then regardless of their location, you can compare the fields yourself. The minimum requirement is to select several fields. For example, we indicate the product code and availability. Using the product code, existing products will be searched and updated. Products that are not found will be skipped. If you uncheck the Update Only checkbox, then products that were not previously found by code will be loaded as new product cards. Please note that to import new products, you must also indicate the name of the product, mandatory. In addition, do not forget to indicate the category into which the product will be added. To do this, select the appropriate field as category. You can create categories in the Store Categories section. Once the import has started, the data can be reduced to speed up the import process. However, if you are importing for the first time, then for clarity, after the question shorten the display of the result, click Cancel. How to autocomplete field matching. For example, you can add the required mapping during the first import and check the Remember Field Mapping checkbox. There are 3 saved field mappings available, for different file types, for example for updating or for adding new products, since there is no point in importing all the fields if you only need to update availability and price. In addition to saved field matching options, there is also matching for files that are exported. For example, if you exported a product by clicking the Upload All checkbox, then this correspondence can be filled in with one click. You can see instructions for importing a price list by clicking Instructions. Various examples are also available there, as well as descriptions of field correspondence and possible data. In addition to manual import, you can also set up automatic import, separately for new products, and separately for updating existing ones. As a source for updating, a link to a file located on any website or server, as well as a file on Google Sheets, can be used. Try to import on several products, and also keep the fields you need to match, and continue importing the main data. You can find examples of import files in the instructions above. And also by exporting goods in the section Store, Export Goods, you can view all import results in the Show Previous Import Result item. In addition, you will be able to track previous import processes, including automatic ones. This can be useful if one of the import processes has been interrupted, or an error occurred during automatic import. Please note that while the import process is running, the site may be temporarily unavailable in your browser. However, the site will be available to other users. Import is available in various formats: CSV, XLS, and XML. In addition, you can use the built-in YML converter to a file with categories and products in CSV format.